Hey, what's up, y'all? Everyday Kashay here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here on this channel, we talk plus size fashion, style, and the like, especially for those living the plus size life. So if that's you, then you need to subscribe. But I know this is an interesting angle. I'm actually driving right now. Don't try this at home. But it couldn't wait. I had to just get on camera real quick and just share with y'all something really important. I woke up this morning and I kind of looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, I don't know, like I felt different. I felt like I was just like, I don't know, the baddest bitch. And yeah, I feel like I'm having a really good body image day. So it's extremely important to know when you're having those and to celebrate those. So I just wanted to come up here and spread love, but also in addition, make sure that you all know some of the reasons why you may not be experiencing the same type of day that I am right now, and that's completely okay too. Now, if you're interested in hearing those reasons, then you should definitely stay tuned. All right, y'all, so as I mentioned, my name is Kashay, and I'm having a really great body image day. And if you're not familiar, a good body image day is when you wake up, you feel like you can conquer the world almost immediately. I might be a little more hyped because I did take my B12 vitamin, so maybe that's even changing like how I'm thinking about myself. But I looked in the mirror, my body was looking like a big body bends. Please don't crash. Stomach was looking a little flat, or at least, fat flap. Hips were sitting real nice. My underwear were just like, they were perfectly sized. I don't know what really made the difference with the underwear, but anyway, I just felt really good. I was looking at myself, and I just felt really good. And so, I thought about like, oh, well, why am I feeling this way? Like, why am I like super stoked about my body image today? And really, I think it's because of a few reasons. So the first reason is because I am sitting probably almost at like 2 weeks of my away from my menstrual. And as you may know, on a typical anywhere between I think 28 to 32 days or something like that, if you're on a traditional schedule with your cycle, ladies, then you pretty much can anticipate that first week you're like feeling okay, you're just happy to be over your period. The second week you're kind of like, okay, like you're feeling good. You're probably at your height or your best for you feeling like you got that great confidence. That third week, you start kind of questioning any and everybody that stands in your way of doing anything productive or anything that you want to do. So I typically sense that I have an attitude that third week, and it's always one person that catches the brunt of it. Now, it could be one person at work. It could be one person in my personal life. It could be, one of my friends or a family member, but somebody is going to catch it. And then that fourth week, you just feel kind of like, you just feel like, why am I a woman? Why, Lord? Today I kind of fall within that second week. So I'm just kind of feeling myself like I'm cute and can't nobody tell me any different. And that's important to celebrate, like I said. So that may be one of the reasons, where you are in your menstrual, that you might be experiencing some highs or lows of your self-confidence. Now, typically, I don't waver very much with my self-confidence. It doesn't usually go down where I'm like, oh my God, look at me, I'm so fat, I'm so this, that, whatever. But it does go up, okay? It's always gonna go up, all right? Gravity doesn't work over here with my self-confidence. You can take as many shots as you want to. I'm probably still gonna feel damn good about myself. So that's probably one of the reasons. Another reason too is just maybe you didn't know that you should celebrate the days where you're feeling good. Wear something that you like or that you enjoy. Have a good time. Go out and eat something if that's what makes you happy. But when you're feeling good about how you look, how you appear, year, then definitely celebrate those days. And when you don't, consider the things that you can do to make healthy change. So maybe it's that you want to do something, maybe it's that you want to do something different with your hair. Cool. Maybe you want to lose a few pounds. That's fine too. Maybe you want to put on a few. Girl, do what you got to do. Maybe you want to wear something cute. You want to add a tattoo. You want to, get something pierced. By all means, I am a proponent. So that's another reason. So I just wanted to kind of, like I said, share with y'all some of my joy and my peace today about my body and how I'm feeling. I'll probably insert a little clip just so y'all can see me feeling myself. I usually do like gym assessments when I'm in the gym, and I'm actually going to head over there later today to work on a project for y'all that's coming up in February. So definitely subscribe if you haven't and stay tuned. If you can, identify with any part of what I just said in this video, then you definitely got to tap on that like button. And, again, spread that love, spread that joy that you're feeling about yourself, because somebody's always going to need it. All right. Don't, let your little light dim. Make sure it shines on today. And I hope that y'all are having an amazing day. Maybe y'all are having one just like me. Let me know. I'll talk to y'all soon. Love you. Bye.